Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to track token rewards in Ambire Wallet. Ambire Wallet is a powerful Web3 wallet that lets you store, send, stake and manage cryptocurrency securely. If you have staked tokens or participated in their paid platforms, you want to track your rewards over time. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to track token rewards in Ambire Wallet on your PC, including how to view. First, when you stake tokens or participate in a protocol, rewards accumulate over time based on the staking or the yield rules. Ambire Wallet itself shows your account balance, activity and connected smart contract. So first, open any of the browser and go to the extension in the top right over here and select to this Ambire Web3 wallet. And once you reach into this interface of the Ambire wallet, you need to check your dashboard to see your account name, token balances, network selected. And over here, just beside the DeFi, we can find this activity, and Ambire Wallet automatically tracks transaction for your account. You can click to this activity or the transaction tab on the dashboard and scroll the list to see the received tokens, staking rewards or credited and token swaps. And that is it. That's how you track tokens rewards in Ambire Wallet on PC. By checking both your wallet activity and connected staking platform, you can monitor pending and earn rewards and claim them safely. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any queries, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.